Hello guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to create guns and give guns to your pals in Palworld. Now, before we begin, I'm going to preface this by saying that not every pal can have guns. Certain pals can have guns, certain pals can have other accessories. So how do you do this? You need to create one of these things, which is a pal gear workbench. So how do you create that? You need to unlock it. Let's press tab on your tech tree at level 6. There you go. You need to have that unlocked, and after that you need 10 palladium fragment, 30 wood, and 2 cloth. Very easy to make. And after that you just need to press F, and here you're going to have all the pal accessories that you can craft. Now take note that you need to get the schematics for these. So some are already unlocked once you have a pal, some are not. You need to unlock certain ones, like my Jet Dragon's missile launcher. I needed to unlock that at the very bottom of my tech tree, which is this one, as you can see. So for example, you want your lift monk to have a submachine gun, right? So you need 5 ingots, 10 stone, 20 wood, and 10 palladium fragments. Now after you create this, after you finish crafting this, you might be wondering, where is it? Well, it's not going to be an item. It's going to be pretty much with every member of that pal species. So let's go to our pal box and take out a lift monk. For this example, as you can see, we have a bunch of them because I am planning to breed them. So let's remove Verdash and let's get a lift monk, right? Get this one lift monk, and let's go over here where there's not too much traffic, and let's release our lift monk like that. So how do I use my lift monk's gun? It's very easy. You just need to press F for the skill. There you go. Pretty cute, right? And you just need to press fire, and he's gonna fire, and it's gonna have a cooldown, as you can see. And yeah, that's how you give your pal guns. That's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and see you on the next one.